How to measure with QuickRead on NineFocus. Let's take a look on how to use QuickRead for fast and easy measurements. On the home screen, you will see 4 module buttons, one for each measurement channel. The measurement parameter and sensor for each channel are indicated on the module button. If you are using less than 4 channels, the unused channels are grayed out. If you add an additional sensor, the module button text updates automatically. If you select the different checkboxes, you can pick which channel is active for your measurement. If you press Read, the measurement starts for the currently active channel. Once the measurement is complete, you can start another measurement directly by pressing Start Sample, or you press Complete to see a summary of all measured samples. Then press OK to return to the home screen. By pressing the upper half of the module button, you can modify key measurement settings like endpoint and stability criteria. If you want to learn more about NineFocus, make sure to check out the other videos.